Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to do exponent rules with example. So our first rule is x power 0 is always 1, which means any number power 0 is 1. For example, 3 power 0 is also 1. Now another rule, x power 1 is always equals to x. For example, 9 power 1 is 9. Third rule, x power a times x power b is equals to x power a plus b. Which means if x power 3 times x power 5 is given, so we can write x power 3 plus 5 x power 8. Now another exponent rule, x power a by x power b is equals to x power a minus b, which means if x power, if there is a number x power 11 by x power 4, so we can write it as x power 11 minus 4, that is x power 7. I'm going to write it again, x power 3 times x power 5 is equals to x power 3 plus 5, which is x power 8. Now, fifth rule is x power a power b. We can write it as x power ab or x power a power b, b power a. For example, x power 5 power 3, we can write it as x power 5 times 3, which is equals to x power 15 or x power 3 power 5. Another exponent rule, xy whole power a is equals to x power a times y power a. So that is, if there is xy whole power 4, we can write it as x power 4 times y power 4. Seventh rule, x by y whole power a is equals to, we can write it as x power a by y power a. For example, x by y whole power 6, we can write x power 6 by y power 6. So, and x power minus 1, we can write it as 1 by x. For example, 3 power minus 1, we can write it as 1 by 3 or 1 by 3 as 3 power minus 1. X power 1 by n, we can write it as nth root n's, which means x power 1 by 3, we can write it as cube root of x. And x power m by n, we can write it as nth root of x power m or nth root of x whole power m. For example, x power 9 by 2, we can write it as square root of x power 9 or square root of x whole power 9. These are some rules of exponent with example. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.